What's up everyone? In this video I'll talk to you about using the Midjourney's API. So as you know, Midjourney is a popular image generation platform based on your prompt that you enter, and it is available on Discord. So the Midjourney's API allows Midjourney commands to run on Discord. However, you cannot use, or there is no official API issued by Midjourney if you want to use Midjourney, like integrated into your website. The Midjourney team didn't release an official API for Midjourney. However, there are several third-party apps or services that you can use to integrate or like connect your the API to the official API or the official Discord, so that you can run commands for Midjourney right from your websites. However, as I told you, there is no official way to use the Midjourney API, so you can search and view the other alternatives, the third-party alternatives to use for using API of Midjourney on your website.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.